We're here at the Skype for Business room, where Ashton Bentley and Polycom are collaborating. I'm going to just ask Noel about the Ashton Bentley product. So, do you just want to talk a little bit about the Ashton Bentley product, how it's put together, and how that would work for the oil and gas industry?
Yeah, sure. So the premise behind the Ashton Bentley system is to try and make installation as easy and simple as possible. Obviously, with the oil and gas industry, one of the key features there is that they can be putting these sort of systems in very remote locations, oil rigs, or right in the middle of drilling sites, etc. And what our system means is that it's very, very simple to do an installation like this in about 45 minutes, an hour, something like that. So what we've got on show today is the Connect 2. It's our dual screen 55-inch solution combined with our table for 7, and it's a very, very effective sort of meeting space, collaboration space that can be deployed anywhere in the world.
Okay, thanks, Noel. So I also want to talk about the Polycom solution and how that works. So Ed, do you want to talk about that?
So yeah, we've got on display here a number of Polycom endpoints. We've teamed up with Ashton Bentley today, so we've got our Group 500, which is the camera just above the 2 screens there, a laptop, tablets and iPhones, and also the CX5100 that we're using to dial into our hosted service, which is all based out in the cloud. It's completely standard base, so any other codec can dial into the service, as well as Microsoft Lync, which we have native integration with. The key bit, I guess, why we're here today to show this to the oil and gas industry is just the mobility piece. Completely mobile with tablets. You've actually got a web interface that you can dial into the hosted service just by one click of a button, and that's through Lync and also any browser functionality. Ashton Bentley and Polycom really come together really well when you look at oil and gas and remote working, as Noel touched on, with that they actually have a box called A-Box, which controls everything in the stand, including the codec. So what that means is that you can use a piece of software called ABC, and you can actually monitor the screens, the codec itself, the call speeds, the temperatures that are running inside, and if need be, you can actually do a reboot of the whole system remotely, so you don't have to go and travel out into the desert or off sea. As long as you've got a connection with that site, you can actually do everything remotely, and management of that service as well.